dishonor of bill when the bill was discounted from the bank. Dishonor of bill when it was discounted from the bank. Bilal, what is the journal entry of the bill being discounted from the bank? What is the journal entry of the bill being discounted from the bank? Principal. Journal entry of the bill being discounted from the bank. Principal. Are you listening or not?
Yes, sir.
Then, even if you don't know the answer, you have to say.
Sir, don't know.
Ansika Arora. Yes.
Sub bank account debit, then discounting charges debit to bill receivable account.
Yeah, surely. Very good. Very good. You get marks for it. You will get plus marks for it. That bank account debit, discounting charges account debit to bill receivable. Now, when the bill is dishonored, which is discounted from the bank, it means that the bill which is discounted from the bank does not receive the amount because the drawee has failed to make the payment. So bank will not receive the amount. When bank will not receive the amount, listen very carefully. When bank will not receive the amount from the drawee, B in our case, bank will debit our account. Bank will debit our account. The amount from our bank account will be deducted. Bank will deduct or debit our account from the bill of the amount. Are you getting why bank will deduct our account? Because bank has not received the amount which it has already paid to us when we discounted the bill from the bank. हमने बैंक से बिल डिस्काउंट कराया था, बैंक ने हमें पैसे दिए थे. Bank had credited our account with the amount of the bill, but because the bill is dishonored now, bank will deduct the amount. So entry will be opposite. Entry will be opposite. In the book of drawer, the entry will be B's account debit to bank account. amount from our bank will reduce. Sushpreet, is it clear to you why the bank account is credited here? Sushpreet,
Sir, please explain one more time.
listen carefully. Satnam Singh, is it clear to you? Satnam Singh, is it clear to you why the bank account is credited? Everybody keep yourself muted. The amount is credited the bank account because bank will deduct the amount of bill. The bank will deduct the amount of dishonored bill from our account. We have the account in the bank. बैंक हमारे अकाउंट से उतने पैसे काट लेगा. एंड बी, जो ड्रॉई था हमारा, he will again become our debtor. He will pay the bill now to us again, the new bill. A new bill will be made on B. जो आपको कल बताया था, ये काय की एंट्री हो गई, डिसऑनर, 10,000 का बिल था. और अगर उसमें क्या कहते हैं, नोटिंग चार्जेस भी जोड़ने, वो भी आप इसमें जोड़ सकते हैं. बैंक ने 10,000 रुपए बिल के और 100 रुपए नोटिंग चार्जेस के काट लिए. नाउ वी विल चार्ज 10,100 फ्रॉम आवर डेटर बी. और बी क्या कहेगा हमसे? मेक अ न्यू बिल. वी विल आस्क to prepare a new bill for 1 month or 2 months, and we will charge interest from him. Interest will be charged from B. How we will calculate the interest? I told you yesterday. What is the amount? 10,100. 10% for 2 months. Around 167 rupees. 166.66. It is 167 rupees. This 167 rupees will also be charged from B. New bill. The new bill will be drawn on B. The new bill will be drawn on B, and B will accept that bill. That bill will come back to A, and A will do this entry. Second entry, bill receivable account debit to B's account, and now it will be 10,267. 10,267. 100 for noting charges and 167 rupees for interest. Ayush, is it clear? And Sakshi, is it clear? Ayush, are you listening? Raise your hand. They don't understand English also, Hindi also. Principal, have you understood? Raise your hand. How do I know what you are speaking? Bilal, have you got it? Ansika Bhatia? Varun? Okay, so this is the case when a bill is dishonored, which was discounted from bank, which was discounted from bank. Very, very important. I have explained you the different cases of dishonor of bill. Yesterday it was explained to you when the bill was dishonored, which was retained by the drawer till the date of maturity. We have also discussed about the bill dishonored when it was endorsed to some other person. Also, journal entry in the books of endorsee, the person to whom the bill was endorsed. उसकी बुक में भी आपको जनरल एंट्री बताई थी कल, which is very important. That also you should keep in mind. And today, dishonor of bill, when the bill is discounted from the bank, that bill is dishonored, and this is the journal entry of dishonor, and new bill is made. When the bill will be met on maturity date, again the same journal entry, bank account debit to bill receivable account, bank account debit to bill receivable account will be the new journal entry. Okay, so these are the cases of dishonor of bill at various stages. Whenever the bill is dishonored, first cancel the bill and then make a new bill including noting charges and interest. If noting charges are paid immediately, then we will not include noting charges. Interest will be paid at the time of the maturity of the new bill. That will be given in the question. Journal entry for those will be done. One more case, when the bill is sent to the bank for collection and it is dishonored. When the bill is sent to bank for collection and it is dishonored. Can anybody tell me? Look at your book. Look in your books. Find that case. And somebody will tell me what will be the journal entry when the bill is dishonored, which is sent to the bank for collection. When the bill is sent to the bank for collection, the journal entry is bill sent for collection account debit to BR. And at the time of payment on maturity date, it is bank account debit to bill sent for collection. Bank account debit to bill sent for collection. These are the last two journal entries in the books of drawer. You are aware of it. So can anybody tell me? By seeing in your book also you can tell me. Raise your hand and you can tell. What will be the journal entry in the books of drawer for dishonor of bill which was sent to the bank for collection? which was sent to the bank for collection. Who is going to tell? Prince Rotela. Dishonor of bill when the bill is sent for collection. Prince Rotela, look in your book and tell me the journal entry. Yes. Speak out. Don't know? Who will tell? Priya Sharma? Okay, Prince, tell.
Sir, bank account debit to discount, oh, bank account debit, discounting charge account debit to bill receivable account credit.
No, this is of discounting the bill from bank. I am talking about dishonor of the bill.
Dishonor of the bill.
When the bill is sent to the bank for collection. That case. Okay, let Priya try.
Sir,
Priya.
BP account debit to noting charges account with 2x.
Priya. बोलिए.
Troy account debit to bill receivable account.
Drawing account debit to
Bill receivable account.
what is the case?
Sir, the bill is dishonored.
Bill is dishonored. But where is the bill? I said you have to tell the journal entry for dishonor of the bill when the bill is sent to the bank for collection, and it is dishonored when bank went to the drawing to ask for the payment. बिल हमारे पास नहीं है, बिल है बैंक के पास. Case number 4, when the bill is sent to the bank for collection. You can also refer to the book and answer. Anybody refer to book and answer. Sakshi. No one? Kushpreet? Ansika? Ansika? What will be the journal entry when the bill is dishonored, which is sent to the bank for...
Sir, BP account debit to cash account.
Anji? Who is
Sir, BP account debit.
Who is answering? Answer again. It is same entry. Dishonor of bill is same beta when the bill is sent to bank for collection. Yes, try. Priya, yes. Priya, yes. Unmute and try.
Sir, drawing account debit to bank account.
Again,
Drawing account debit to bank account.
yes, very good. I said the bill is with the bank. When the bill is discounted from the bank and when the bill is sent to the bank for collection, in both the cases आपके अकाउंट में मतलब ड्रॉर के अकाउंट में पैसे आते हैं अगर पेमेंट होती है तो if the payment is not made by the drawee, if he dishonors the bill, then बेटा सेम सिचुएशन बैंक जो है हमारे अकाउंट से मतलब ड्रॉर के अकाउंट से बैंक विल डिडक्ट द अमाउंट, बैंक विल डिडक्ट द अमाउंट ऑफ द बिल, बैंक विल डिडक्ट द अमाउंट ऑफ द बिल फ्रॉम द अकाउंट ऑफ द ड्रॉर। ड्रॉर के अकाउंट से बैंक क्या करेगा कि अमाउंट को जो है डेबिट कर देगा, बैंक डेबिट कर देगा। तो हमारे अकाउंट में वो चीज क्या होगी? क्रेडिट। क्रेडिट इन द सेंस वी विल क्रेडिट बैंक अकाउंट and bank will debit our account. Bank will debit our account and we will credit bank account because हमारे बैंक अकाउंट में पैसे क्या होंगे? रिड्यूस हो जाएंगे। सेम एंट्री, इसलिए हम आपको बार बार हिंट दे रहे हैं। ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द टॉपिक। अंशिका, नाउ इज इट क्लियर? बिल सेंट टू द बैंक फॉर कलेक्शन और the bill is discounted from the bank is same thing. When the bill is discounted from the bank, हमें तुरंत उसके पैसे मिल जाते हैं after deducting the discounting charges. When the bill is sent to the bank for collection, the amount is received at the time of maturity only. But amount तो मिलता है, discounting में तुरंत मिल जाता है. And when it is sent to the bank for collection, so it is sent for collection. Whenever the maturity date will arrive, the bank will collect the amount from the drawer. लेकिन drawee has refused to make the payment. He has dishonored the bill. So we will again become the debtor, and bank will reduce the amount from our bank. And whatever noting charges or interest and all again will be added, and a new bill will be made on the request of drawee. And then again the same process will follow on. So this was all for this chapter. If you have any doubts, if you have any problems, you can ask whenever there is a class, okay? And we will start new chapter. We will start new chapter from the next class. Also business, I will start one more chapter, sources of business finance. I will start सोर्सेस ऑफ बिजनेस फाइनेंस, एक चैप्टर जो बीच में हमने छोड़ दिया था, चैप्टर नंबर 7. एंड इन योर एग्जाम ऑल चैप्टर्स विल कम जितने हमने पढ़ाए होंगे अप टू इंटरनल ट्रेड, अप टू इंटरनल ट्रेड. इन द एग्जाम यू विल गेट द क्वेश्चंस. सिलेबस इज अप टू इंटरनल ट्रेड, चैप्टर नंबर 1 to internal trade. All chapters will be there in the December exam. In accounts also तब तक जितना भी पढ़ा दिया होगा वो सारा का सारा सिलेबस में आएगा. Whatever is taught portion, completed portion, that will be asked in the exam. Okay, whole syllabus जितना भी taught होगा. Also exam will be offline. It will be 80 marks paper, 80 marks, 80. And if you do not perform well in that, it will be very difficult to get through the 11th class. It will be very difficult for you to get through 11th class if you do not pass this exam. This should be very, very strict. This should be very, very, genuine, serious exam. All should prepare seriously. There will be theory of almost 8 to 10 marks only. Only 8 to 10 marks theory will be there. Don't depend upon theory. Depend upon numericals. practice all the numerical chapters thoroughly. If you have problem, then you can ask me during your classes. You can ask me personally also. Okay, you can come to me and you can ask your problems personally also, and you can ask your problems in the class also. But numericals are must, and you have to practice them thoroughly. Each chapter, at least you should do 100 questions. 100 questions if you want to score well in the exam. Less than 100 questions, you will not be able to solve the question in the exam. And don't take it lightly. You may have to repeat the class again next year if you do not perform well in the exam and do not pass it, in a very marginal way. Revise the chapter. Be ready for the next chapter tomorrow. In accounts, business, both, I will start the new chapter in the next class. Any queries, any doubt? Get your notebooks checked time to time. Pay your fees, whatever remaining fees is there, pay it before this month. Then only I will give you an admit card. Admit card number will be given. Then only you will be able to give the exam. Otherwise, you will not give the exam also. You will be considered
दिसंबर तक ही करनी है
that. Anybody want to ask anything? No questions? Thank you. God bless all of you.